Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Cursor, the AI-powered coding editor, on your MacBook. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to the official Cursor website, cursor.com. On the home page, click Download for Mac OS. The installer will begin downloading automatically. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A window will appear showing the Cursor app icon. Simply drag and drop the Cursor icon into your Applications folder. This will install the app onto your Mac. After that, you can close the window and remove the installer if you'd like. Now, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch Cursor. If a pop-up appears saying, "Cursor is an app downloaded from the internet," just click Open to continue. When Cursor opens for the first time, sign in with your Google or GitHub account. Follow the quick setup instructions and allow Cursor to install recommended extensions. These help unlock the full AI coding features. Cursor may also request permission to access certain system files. Click Allow so everything works correctly. And that's it. Cursor is now installed and ready to help you write, debug, and refactor code faster with AI. Thanks for watching.